Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shin Godzilla with the atomic breath, essentially. It's going to be very simple, easy, and for beginners, so I want you to do is follow along with me. And that's pretty much it. Stay all the way to the very end of the video. The video is only about 8 minutes long, so should be really short. The idea is you stick around all the way to the very end, you'll probably have you'll have a new skill. So, all right, so let's get going. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start over here. I'm going to start. Oh, before I do that though, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw characters, like your favorite characters, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. It's going to let you know when I post. All right, so let's get started here. I'm going to go up, and I'm going to start over here with the front of his mouth. He has this big, giant, like, bubbly mouth right here. That's going to be the front of his snout. And I'm going to throw already some teeth, some really small triangles. And the idea is that, you know, he doesn't really have lips. Other Godzillas do. So his teeth you can just kind of see exposed, which makes him look more, you know, evil and stuff like that. Like more monstrous. I'm going to keep it going over here, back here. Curve, curve, curve. I'm going to go in, up, curve, and that's going to be for his eye area. You're going to it's going to be the brow kind of hanging over the eye. His eye's are really round. Throw a round right there. Throw a dot right at the center of that, and I'm going to fill in the area around it. Right? When you fill in the area around, that's good. Curve in. I'm going to go up here. Curve, 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 curve. Here, here, here. Down, down, down. It's kind of bubbly everywhere because his skin is so screwed up. Gonna pull a line maybe about 2/3 of the way back along his teeth. I'm gonna pull a line down. And we're gonna have some little detail lines showing that it's stretching, right? It's gonna be the it's like the stretchy portion. It's gonna pull a line here. It's the stretchy portion of the side of the mouth that lizards have, and Godzilla has it a lot as well. Almost every version of him has it. We're gonna throw little thin lines right there, like it's stretching that skin. Pulling over here, out, down. Pull down over here. Out over here, so his bottom jaw splits open, and we'll go over that right now. So I'm going to start with the bottom part of the jaw over here, and I'm going to have a roundish area here. As we pull up, it's going to bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. It's going to kind of keep going almost all the way up pretty much. And it's going to curve over here, almost like this big old hamburger opening up, right? I'm going to pull down the back. Same thing, have it bubble a little bit down the back here. Go to the front. We're going to have his throat here at an angle. And then we're going to go down into the neck and more so. Curve over here. Curve around here. And we're going to throw some spikes going upward. Like so. Same thing over here. You can make them separate, or you can kind of combine them a little bit, but for the most part they can be pretty separate. And we're going to have this skin over here stretching as well. So we're going to throw a line here, and then we're going to throw the exact same material over here. It's going to be this stretching thing going on. Right there. I'm going to throw a line over here for the nostril. And let's draw the spikes in the back. Small spike here. Small spike here, here. As you get to this point, we're going to draw like a flower spike. Like so. line over here. So I have these flower spikes, which more or less look kind of like leaves. I would say that's the closest thing. And you can draw smaller ones down here. Line over here. Line over here. Curve line here. And I'm going to also draw the same lines that we had here. I'm going to draw them in here. This kind of opening he has, it opens up kind of like gills. So a lot of opening up of this version of Godzilla. After this, we're going to have the ray coming out of his mouth. And he has like a purple ray going on. We're going to definitely need color for this, so and it's not coming right out of, so other Godzillas will have it coming right out of his mouth. This one, it kind of starts outside. And we're going to have it zigzagging out over here. Over here as well. And also the purple. And I'm going to grab like another purple over here and kind of put that maybe on the inside, like a lighter purple. And this stuff, I'm aware you can just do this with black if you don't have colors on you right now. You can very easily do this with black. And we can color him, but I'll do that in the sped up version. Before I actually color him, I'm going to take the black here, and I'm going to throw curved, tiny dots, because he's got, but they have to be small and thin and kind of all over the place, because he has this texture all over him. Especially this version of Godzilla is like the rockiest, kind of screwed up texture of him. Maybe give him a little more of an evil look kind of thing. But just throw that all over the place as much as you can without like destroying it. So it has to be light and thin. And the cool part about it is he will, you know, it's gonna look more like a texture. Looks like a, like again, he looks like hamburger bread right now. But we will, you know, color him in. It'll look more like the Shin. And that's pretty much it, by the way. You'll watch me, and you know, I'll speed it up while I do the coloring, so it'll make more sense. So you don't have to sit here watching me do that. But that's pretty much it. Don't forget, if you want to see more Godzilla stuff and more of your favorite cartoons, hit the subscribe. But not just that, hit the like, so it'll let me know what to post more of. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Share the video if you did enjoy it with a friend, and I will see you in the very next video next time. I will talk to you soon. All right, watch the sped up version here. Later.